Hare Krishna, Jai Gaur Hari. Please accept the blessings of Shri Radha Krishna, Shri Gaur Nitai, Shri Govardhanji, Srila Prabhupada and all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord. So today we're going to talk about yoga. And the best book from which we can talk about yoga is Bhagavad Gita, because that is the real book of yoga. Some say, no, Patanjali's Yoga Sutra are the most important book of yoga. But sorry, who's known as Yogeshwar? Yogeshwar means who's the controller, who's the master of all yogis. He is Lord Shri Krishna. And he has spoken the Bhagavad Gita. So every word, every verse of the Bhagavad Gita is the real Yoga Sutra. And not, now what does the Yogeshwar, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, tell us in Bhagavad Gita? He tells us, listen to it. Therefore, O Arjuna, in all circumstances be a yogi. In all circumstances. Means every time be a yogi. Why be a yogi? Come, let's see. Listen to 250 shloks. Shankhya, the number of the verses, 50, chapter 2. What does he say there? He says, a man engaged in bhakti yoga rids himself of both good and bad reactions even in this life. Therefore, strive for yoga, which is the art of all work, art of all action. You should know the art of action, that you don't get reaction to your actions. Good or bad, reactions are not good. For those reactions, you will have to come down in this material world again. Birth, death, birth, death, birth, death. Again and again. That cycle would not stop. So yoga does what? Yoga means to add. So yogas are also on different platforms. Like this body is one platform. Fit and fine, healthy. Then the mind. We add. We do yoga for the mind. So the mind is crystal clear. It is peaceful. It is unalloyed. There is no dirt in it. It's pristine. Why? Third level of yoga, the highest. Who am I? I am a soul. You are a soul. You are an Atma. I am an Atma. Everyone is an Atma. This body is known as the gross covering. Mind, intelligence and false ego is known as the subtle body. We are covered by these two bodies. So real yoga means to get connected with the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Shri Krishna. We have to get connected to Him. And connected how? Connected. The best connection is connection of love, loving service. And that is what Bhakti Yoga is. So keep your body fit so that you can use this body for the service of the Supreme Lord. Keep your mind crystal clear, pristine, pure. So you can remember the Lord. You can meditate on the Lord. This is why yoga is there. So my request to you all is perform the yoga of the soul. And that's what Krishna says. And what is the best yoga for the soul is also stated in 6th chapter, 47th shlok. It states, and of all yogis, the one with great faith, who always abides in me, thinks of me within himself, and renders transcendental loving service to me. He is the most intimately united with me in yoga and is the highest of all. That is my opinion, says Lord Shri Krishna. And he is a Yogeshwar. So no one can challenge that statement. So here is stated. So how to practice yoga in this age? Very simple. Start chanting this great mantra for deliverance. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Chant it and listen to it and see the effect. You can go on to understand this Bhagavad Gita. You can go to our website, givegita.com, GIVEGITA.com, and download this a synopsis of the whole Bhagavad Gita just in 14 hours, and see how your life changes for the best. Thank you. Hare Krishna.